Beijing, China's government has made it harder to move money overseas. It has said it would punish companies for investing in certain sectors. It has told firms to report all cross-border deals. Despite all that, Chinese companies are still going global. Zhejiang Geely Holding Group, the Chinese company that bought Volvo cars in 2010, said on Wednesday that it would acquire an 8.2% stake in Volvo, a Swedish manufacturer of trucks, from the activist investment firm Cevian Capital. The deal, valued at $3.2 billion based on a New York Times calculation, would make Geely the truck maker's largest shareholder. It was the latest sign that Chinese companies are still on the lookout for deals. It's not like they are pulling back. I can't do what I wanted, so now I'm done. They are seeking out projects that are still of interest, said Jeffrey Sant, a partner at the New York-based law firm Dorsey & Whitney who advises Chinese companies on acquisitions. Mr. Sant said his clients, some of whom had been looking at real estate and hotels, were now considering investing in mining and aviation. I think it takes a certain kind of person who would want to do cross-border deals, and those people don't want to just give up, he said. China has aggressively sought to curb outbound investment in recent months, spooked by capital outflows and by the way some of its conglomerates piled up debt as they expanded overseas. In a statement on Tuesday, the National Development and Reform Commission, the Chinese government agency that oversees economic planning, said the country's companies would have to report all foreign investment deals through a new online system. It said it would establish a mechanism to supervise overseas deals so as to better safeguard national interests and national security. In August, Beijing said it would forbid acquisitions in sectors ranging from entertainment and sports clubs to hotels, reiterating a warning issued late last year. But the government also said that it would approve acquisitions by qualified companies and encourage deals that supported the One Belt, One Road initiative, President Xi Jinping's ambitious push to increase China's influence through infrastructure projects across Asia, Africa, and Europe. There are some signs the new rules are having an effect. Chinese companies spent about $147 billion in cross-border deals this year, according to Delogic, a data provider. That is sharply lower than last year, when in a record-buying spree they poured $217 billion into a wide variety of overseas businesses, including movie companies and soccer clubs. Still, major deals are being done. In the last 4 months, Chinese companies spent about $36 billion on outbound mergers and acquisitions, Delogic data showed. Many have concentrated on industries like energy and infrastructure. China's State Grid Corporation, for example, bought the Brazilian power holding company CPFL Energia last month for $3.4 billion. And Yancoal, which is majority owned by the Chinese coal giant Yanzhou Coal Mining Company, has bought Australia's Coal and Allied. The Geely deal is the latest example of how acquisitions have not stopped as a result of the new rules.